To create a Chase Bank account online in Pakistan, start by visiting the official Chase Bank website. Since Chase Bank does not have a physical presence in Pakistan, you will need to apply for an international account or find a partner bank that works with Chase. First, go to the Chase Bank website and click on the Apply Now button. Then select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. You will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number or tax identification number. Next, you will need to fund your new account, which can be done by transferring money from an existing account or by using a credit or debit card. The minimum deposit required to open a Chase Bank account varies depending on the type of account, but it is typically around $25. After submitting your application, you will receive an email with instructions on how to verify your account. This may involve logging into your account and confirming your identity, or visiting a partner bank in person to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can start using it to send and receive money, pay bills, and access other banking services. You can also download the Chase Bank mobile app to manage your account on the go. It is worth noting that some services may not be available to customers in Pakistan, and you should check with Chase Bank or their partner bank to confirm their policies and procedures. Additionally, you should be aware of any fees associated with international transactions and account maintenance. In summary, creating a Chase Bank account online in Pakistan requires some extra steps, but it can be a convenient way to manage your finances and access international banking services. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully open and use a Chase Bank account from Pakistan.